Ladies and gentlemen, if I told you that in the next 6 months you could completely transform your relationship, whether it's with your spouse, partner, or even your relationship with yourself, would you believe me? Self-awareness and vision are the foundation of any transformation, especially when it comes to relationships. Most of us think we know ourselves, but in reality, we only see a fraction of our patterns, habits, and emotional triggers. We operate on autopilot, reacting instead of responding, repeating old patterns without realizing why. In relationships, this lack of self-awareness is dangerous because it blinds us to our role in the problem. It's easy to blame a partner for being distant, cold, or unresponsive. But how often do we stop to ask, what energy am I bringing into this relationship every day? The first step in any 6-month success plan is to pause and truly observe yourself. This is not about being harsh on yourself or feeling guilty. It's about becoming conscious of the small daily behaviors that shape your connection with the person you love. Vision plays an equally important role. Without a clear picture of what you want your relationship to look like, you can't expect to reach it. Imagine driving to an unknown destination. Without a map or GPS, you'll either get lost or end up somewhere you never intended to go. The same goes for love. You need to know what kind of relationship you're building. Do you want more laughter, more emotional security, deeper intimacy, a peaceful home where problems are solved calmly? Your vision becomes the filter for your choices. Without it, you'll waste energy on temporary fixes instead of long-term growth. To develop self-awareness, you must become a curious observer of your own life. Pay attention to the way you speak when you're tired, how you react when you feel ignored, and how often you truly listen without preparing your counterargument in your head. Notice your tone, your facial expressions, and even your body language. Sometimes it's not what we say, but how we say it that creates tension. This observation phase is like holding up a mirror, not to criticize yourself, but to understand what's really happening. When you see your patterns clearly, you can begin to shift them intentionally. Vision requires honesty. You have to admit not just what you want, but also what you're willing to do to achieve it. Many people say they want a healthier relationship, but they aren't ready to change their communication style, adjust their priorities, or work on their insecurities. Vision without commitment is just wishful thinking. The truth is, you don't have to overhaul your entire personality to transform your relationship. You just have to align your daily actions with your long-term goal. The beauty of combining self-awareness with vision is that it allows you to stop operating from a place of reaction and start operating from a place of intention. When you know yourself and you know where you want to go, you can respond to challenges with clarity instead of frustration. Instead of snapping back during an argument, you'll remember that your vision is to create a peaceful and respectful connection. Instead of shutting down when you feel hurt, you'll communicate because your vision includes open, honest dialogue. This first step is also humbling. It forces you to accept that you have blind spots and that some of your habits may be hurting the relationship more than you realized. But it's also empowering because once you see these patterns, you can change them. And when you do, the entire energy of the relationship shifts. Your partner will notice, even if they don't say it out loud at first. Your patience will invite their openness. Your calm will encourage their honesty. Your effort will inspire their effort. When you invest time in understanding yourself and defining your vision, the next steps of the 6-month plan become easier. You're no longer guessing or hoping. You're leading with clarity. You know what kind of partner you want to be, and you're taking the first real steps toward becoming that person. This isn't just the start of a plan, it's the start of a new chapter in how you live, love, and connect. Consistency and effort are the heartbeat of any lasting relationship. Transformation. Many people believe that love is fueled by grand gestures, expensive gifts, surprise vacations, or dramatic apologies. While those things can make a moment special, they are not what sustains a relationship over time. What truly keeps love alive is the small, steady effort you put in every single day. It's in the way you greet your partner in the morning, the way you listen when they're speaking, the way you show up even when you're tired or distracted. Consistency builds trust, and trust is the soil where love grows. Inconsistent effort sends mixed messages. If you are kind and attentive one week, but cold and distant the next, your partner will never feel secure in your love. They'll wonder which version of you they're going to get, And over time, that uncertainty eats away at the bond you've built. But when you show up with steady, reliable care, even in small doses, your partner begins to relax into the relationship. They know they can count on you, and that sense of security is priceless. Consistency doesn't mean perfection. You will have bad days, moments when you're irritable, stressed, or distracted. The difference is that a consistent partner doesn't disappear emotionally when life gets hard. They find ways to still connect, even if it's just a short conversation or a warm touch before bed. The goal isn't to be flawless, it's to be present and engaged as much as possible. Effort is where intention meets action. It's not enough to simply want a better relationship. You have to actively create it. Effort can look different depending on the season of your life. Sometimes it's planning a date night. Sometimes it's tackling household responsibilities so your partner feels less stressed. And sometimes it's putting your phone down to give them your undivided attention. These acts don't have to be dramatic to be meaningful. What matters is that they are deliberate and come from a place of care. One of the most powerful ways to show effort is through communication. This doesn't mean constant talking. It means intentional, meaningful exchanges. Ask questions beyond the surface level. Really listen to the answers. Pay attention to what your partner values and remember those details. When you bring up something they mentioned days or weeks ago, it tells them you value their thoughts.
Consistency and effort also mean keeping your promises, even the small ones. If you say you'll call at a certain time, do it. If you say you'll take care of something, follow through. Broken promises, no matter how small, weaken trust. Kept promises, even tiny ones, reinforce it. Your partner notices when your actions match your words.
Another important part of effort is showing appreciation regularly. Many relationships fade because partners start to take each other for granted. Don't assume your partner knows you value them. Say it, show it, remind them. A simple, "I appreciate you," or "I notice what you did, and it means a lot to me," can completely change their day. When appreciation is consistent, it becomes part of the relationship's culture. The truth is, relationships rarely fail because two people don't love each other. They fail because one or both stop putting in consistent effort. Love may be the spark, but effort is the oxygen that keeps it alive. And when effort is steady, it creates momentum. The little things you do today make tomorrow's connection easier, deeper, and more natural.
Consistency and effort require discipline, but they also create rewards far greater than the work you put in. When you show up every day in ways that matter, you're not just maintaining a relationship, you're strengthening it. You're proving, not just saying, that your partner matters to you. Over time, that truth becomes unshakable, and the bond you share becomes one that even life's challenges cannot easily break.
Mutual growth and respect are the backbone of any healthy, lasting relationship. Too often, people enter into a partnership with the silent hope of changing the other person, adjusting their habits, shaping their personality, or molding them into their own ideal version of a partner. This mindset is one of the quickest ways to create resentment. A truly strong relationship is not about forcing someone to fit into your mold. It's about both people evolving side by side, each becoming a better version of themselves while supporting the other's journey. When both partners commit to growth, the relationship becomes a shared adventure rather than a power struggle. It stops being about who's right and who's wrong, and starts being about how you can help each other thrive. Growth doesn't mean you have to share all the same interests, dreams, or paths. It means you encourage each other's personal development, celebrate progress, and stand by one another when challenges arise. Respect is the soil that allows this growth to happen. Without respect, even love becomes fragile. Respect means you value your partner's individuality, you honor their boundaries, and you speak to them in a way that protects their dignity, even in moments of frustration. Disagreements are natural, but disrespect is a choice. You can disagree with your partner's opinion and still treat them as someone whose thoughts matter. You can be upset and still speak without tearing them down. Mutual growth also requires a willingness to learn from each other. No one has all the answers, and sometimes your partner will see things from a perspective you've never considered. Instead of dismissing their viewpoint, take it as an opportunity to expand your own understanding. Relationships are a constant exchange of ideas, experiences, and lessons. If you approach them with curiosity rather than defensiveness, you'll both grow faster and deeper. Supporting each other's growth means giving space when it's needed and encouragement when it's asked for. If your partner wants to learn a new skill, pursue a career change, or work on a personal goal, your role is not to control the process, but to be their cheerleader and, when needed, their safe place to land. In return, you should feel equally supported in your own ambition. A relationship where one person grows while the other stays stagnant often creates imbalance and distance. But when both people are committed to improving themselves, they inspire each other. Respect also shows up in the way you handle vulnerability. Your partner's fears, insecurities, and mistakes should not be weapons you use against them. When someone shares a weakness with you, they are handing you something fragile. Treat it with care. The more you protect each other's vulnerabilities, the deeper the trust grows. And when trust grows, so does the courage to keep evolving together. Mutual growth is not always comfortable. Sometimes your partner's growth will challenge you to re-examine your own beliefs or push you to step outside your comfort zone. It's easy to cheer for their progress when it aligns with your own desires, but real respect means supporting them even when their journey looks different from yours. Over time, couples who practice mutual growth and respect build a bond that feels both safe and inspiring. Safe because they know they can be themselves without fear of rejection. Inspiring because they see each other constantly striving to be better. This combination keeps the relationship alive, fresh, and forward-moving. In the end, the goal is not to outgrow your partner or to drag them along your path, but to walk together, hand in hand, while each becoming more of who you are meant to be. When you both grow, the relationship grows. When you both respect, the love deepens. And when those two forces work together, you create something that doesn't just survive the years, it thrives through them. A 6-month structured plan is not just a timeline. It is a framework that creates focus, discipline, and measurable progress in a relationship. Without structure, change becomes vague and inconsistent. We tell ourselves we want better communication, deeper connection, or more trust, but without a clear path, those goals get lost in the noise of daily life. Structure is what turns a wish into a result. It breaks a big, overwhelming vision into small, manageable steps that can be practiced, measured, and improved over time. 6 months is an ideal length because it's long enough to create real change, yet short enough to stay committed without losing motivation. It allows for gradual progress without overwhelming either partner. Each month becomes a chapter with its own focus, giving you time to fully absorb one change before moving on to the next. This method builds momentum, and momentum builds transformation. The first month is about awareness. You can't fix what you don't understand. This is where you quietly observe your own habits and patterns, paying attention to the little things that either strengthen or weaken the connection. This phase is about noticing, not judging. The more accurate your self-understanding, the more effective the changes you make later will be. The second month focuses on communication. It's not enough to simply talk. You need to speak in a way that invites connection rather than conflict. This month is about practicing empathy in conversations, listening without interrupting, and choosing words that heal instead of words that harm. Over time, you'll notice arguments becoming shorter and understanding becoming deeper. The third month emphasizes action. Awareness and good intentions mean little without consistent effort. This is the month where you adequately show love in small ways. Acts of kindness, thoughtful gestures, or simply showing up when your partner needs you most. These actions create emotional deposits in the relationship, building goodwill and trust. The fourth month is about addressing the unspoken. Every relationship has topics that get avoided: fears, disappointments, financial concerns, or future plans that feel uncomfortable to bring up. This is the time to address them with honesty and sensitivity. By shining light on the things left in the dark, you remove the silent barriers that block intimacy. The fifth month is about building shared goals. A relationship needs more than just love. It needs a sense of purpose. This month, you create something to work toward together. A trip, a joint project, a financial goal, or even a health challenge. Working as a team strengthens unity and creates shared victories that bond you. The sixth month focuses on independence. This may sound contradictory, but personal growth fuels relational growth. A healthy relationship is made of two complete individuals, not two halves trying to fill each other's gaps. This month, you both invest in your own hobbies, friendships, and personal goals. When both partners are fulfilled individually, they bring more energy, inspiration, and joy back into the relationship. This 6-month plan works because it creates clarity and accountability. You always know what you're working on, and you can track the progress you've made. It also removes the frustration of trying to fix everything at once, which often leads to burnout and giving up too soon. By focusing on one area each month, you give it the attention it deserves, while building a strong foundation for the next phase. At the end of 6 months, the relationship won't be perfect. No relationship ever is, but it will be transformed. There will be a deeper understanding, stronger trust, and more meaningful connection. The beauty of this structure is that it can be repeated again and again, each time refining the bond you share. And when both partners commit to the process, the changes don't just last 6 months, they last a lifetime. A relationship doesn't transform overnight. It transforms through awareness, effort, respect, and structure. When you commit to truly knowing yourself, you begin to understand how your actions shape the connection you share. When you put in consistent effort, you prove that love is more than words. It's a daily choice. When you honor mutual growth and respect, you create an environment where both partners feel safe to be themselves while striving to be better. And when you follow a clear, 6-month structured plan, you replace guesswork with intention and intention with results. The truth is, a relationship is never finished. It's a living, breathing partnership that evolves with the seasons of life. The purpose of this journey is not perfection, it's progress. 6 months from now, you may still face challenges, but you will face them with stronger trust, deeper understanding, and a renewed sense of partnership. And as you grow together, you'll realize that the real success was never in reaching a final destination, but in becoming the kind of people who can build love that lasts. If you start today, the next 6 months could be the most defining chapter in your relationship. A chapter where you choose to invest, to listen, to grow, and to love with clarity and intention. The choice is yours, and the time is now.